Hello, wonderful yogis. My name is Savannah. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, I'm guiding you through a few simple stretches to get you into your body, get you into your breath, and ready to start your day. You'll need some pillows or yoga blocks, a yoga strap, a sock, or a towel to make these stretches more accessible for you. To start, find your way onto your back. Place the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall out wide. Here you can place the pillows or the yoga blocks underneath your knees to allow your hips to open, yet still have support. And if this position is too much on your hips or on your knees, bring your knees back together and extend your legs out long. Close your eyes. Place one hand over your heart and the other over your belly. And breathe. Notice your belly or your chest expanding and rising as you inhale. Notice the release and relaxation that comes with the exhale. Notice the physical sensations in your body. Notice your thoughts. Inhaling, taking in new oxygen. Exhaling into any tightness or tingling. Continue to find softness and stillness as you breathe. Let your breath flow naturally. And with your eyes still closed, gently move your palms down to rest on top of your hips. And breathe into this area. Slowly bring your knees together so that the soles of the feet are flat on your mat. Without moving too much, set your pillows or your blocks aside. Place your palms back near your hips and rock your knees side to side, opening up your lower back. Continuing to breathe. And then you'll heel toe your feet out as wide as the mat so that your knees fall inward. Press your palms down into the mat by your sides. If it's too much on your knees, shorten your stance. And heel toe the feet back in together and bring both knees into your chest. Feel free to use your strap or your towel to grab your knees. Rock side to side. Find some circles with the knees, opening up your lower back. And when you're ready, hug both knees back into your chest. Interlace your fingers over your right knee, or use your strap or your towel. And extend your left leg long. Bring energy into both feet by flexing the toes back towards you. And breathe here. Mindful that you're not clenching in your neck. Inhaling, expanding your belly. Exhaling, pulling that top knee into your chest. You'll keep your right knee into your chest. Find your strap or your towel and place it underneath your toes on the bottom of your foot. And extend the leg up towards the sky. Keeping both feet flexed and engaging the muscles of the bottom leg. Be careful that you're not pulling your strap aggressively. Just use it to stabilize the top leg. You can keep a generous bend in your knee here Find a stretch that feels comfortable for you and breathe into it. Activating through that bottom leg, pulling the toes back towards you, activating your feet. When you're ready, you can gently release your strap. Pull that right knee back into your chest and bring your left knee in to meet it. Hug both knees into your chest. This time, hold on to the left knee and extend the right leg out. Flex both feet, toes pulling back towards you. Release any tension in your neck. Again, you can use the strap or your towel. Wrap it around your knee. Pull that knee into your chest. Feel the muscles of your bottom leg engage. Long, full, deep breaths. And you'll find your strap once again. Place it across the sole of your foot, extending that top leg long up towards the sky. And bend your leg as much as you need to, keeping that bottom leg active. Neck relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Using your strap for stability. Long, deep breaths, opening up your hamstrings, your lower back. And when you're ready, release the strap, bring that left knee back into your chest. Give it a good squeeze, and bring the right knee in to meet it. Give your knees a hug, rock side to side. Take a couple more circles in either direction with your knees. And hug your knees into your chest for one final squeeze. Maybe you look up towards your knees. And when you release, you'll find your way back to our starting position. Soles of the feet touch, knees fall out wide. And again, place one hand to your heart, the other to your belly. Take a few breaths here. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Exhale, sigh it out. When you're ready, gently bring your knees together. Bring your knees into your chest. Cross your ankles and hold on to the outer edges of your feet. Take a couple rolls back and forth, so along the spine, until you're ready to rock all the way up and find a cross-legged seated position. When you get there, lengthen your spine, roll your shoulders back, slight tuck of your chin. Come back to your breath. And place your hands together at heart center, sealing in your practice. Thanking yourself for showing up, taking this time. And thanking your fellow yogis for practicing as well. Namaste.